professional English voice. Over script, welcome to Matrix GPT AI, the smart automation platform designed to simplify business workflows with the power of artificial intelligence. In this dashboard, users can access multiple AI-powered automation tools from one centralized workspace. The platform provides an intuitive and modern interface, making automation simple, fast, and efficient. Here, you can explore powerful workflow solutions, including email automation, payment verification, social media tools, and custom AI integrations. Each workflow is designed to reduce manual effort and improve productivity. The platform allows users to manage automation modules with just a few clicks. From content generation to business process automation, everything is organized inside a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Now, let's take a closer look at the Automation Execution panel. This section helps users monitor workflow performance in real time while tracking every process accurately and securely. Matrix GPT AI also supports advanced integrations, enabling businesses to connect multiple services together for smarter operations. This helps teams save time, increase efficiency, and scale their digital workflows effortlessly. The system provides real-time status updates, automated task execution, and seamless workflow management, all powered by intelligent AI technology. With its powerful back-end automation and responsive design, Matrix GPT AI creates a smooth experience for developers, creators, startups, and businesses. Whether you are automating emails, payments, marketing tasks, or AI content workflows, Matrix GPT AI delivers reliable and high-performance results. Thank you for watching this demo presentation. Start transforming your workflow today with Matrix GPT AI. Smarter automation for the modern digital world.